Big update coming to QuantCrawler tonight. Not as big as last week with all of the interface updates, but this one is bringing the automation for Forex and crypto. And also, the biggest one is it's adding a new options tab so you can actually analyze options. And all of this is automated on these three for Forex, crypto, and options. You just simply go in, type in the ticker that you want, and it will start running for you. I will say this ahead of time. The automated one where you just type in the ticker and hit enter or click analyze, it does take longer than the screenshots. I'm trying to figure out on the back end how I can actually speed it up to make it more efficient because in the day trading space, time is money and we got to find a way to get it quicker. But right now, basically, it sounds like from everything I can see in the logs and the people I've talked to, that when it sends the API call out to have the data returned, that is where the delay comes from, is just calling out to analyze and get hundreds of candles at a time to then get returned. It just takes a minute. So it doesn't take very long. I'll show you guys here on the video like a live session of it running. It takes about 15 to 20 seconds, which is still longer than I'd like it to take because the screenshots are pretty instant. I mean, like 3 to 5 seconds max, and you have your output. So if you're looking for speed, that's the way to go. If you're looking for 100% accuracy with way more depth than what you can fit onto a screenshot, the automated enter in your ticker is going to be the way to go. So let me show you what the website looks like. Let me show you how you would do this. And this will be rolling out tonight. It is 12:34 Pacific Standard Time for me right now on December 8th. And I am going to roll this out between 7 p.m. Pacific Standard and 9 p.m. Pacific Standard. So it will be in the middle of Asia session, but that's actually the least active time that we have on Quant Crawler. So that's the window I'm going to take because I don't want to wait all the way until Friday to roll this out to you guys. Okay, guys, so I am here. This is just on my local. You're not going to see this exact layout until later tonight, but I want to show you guys this. Please, on anything that happens between Forex, options, and crypto, you can immediately come down here to the feedback button and send in whatever the issue is, enter in your email and then a subject and the message, and go ahead and send that in to me. If there's anything that's off on the calculations with pips or whatever it is, please send it in so I can look at it, because when this new automation rolls out, I have to be able to fix it for when futures rolls out, and I need to know what issues we're going to be having. So don't go with the approach that less is more. I have to know what's going on. So if something doesn't work, please send it in. I will very quickly reply and say, already addressed, working on it, or thank you, and I'll add it to my list. So let's go ahead and start in options because this is one that a lot of people have been asking for. So once you get loaded in here, you can see that there is enter ticker or upload screenshots. You can do either or, but just know that enter ticker, this is the automated one. So down here at the bottom, you would put this on 0 DTE for contract today, options expiring, and just come here and type in SPY. And then you can see this is how long it takes. I'm going to leave this running live so you guys can see it. This is what I need to try and speed up, but it's pulling hundreds of candles at a time. So I understand that it's going to take a minute, but that wasn't as bad as it normally is. So now I look like a joker, but SPY, bearish, key resistance is here, support, current price, direction is a put, bias is bearish, 75% confident. Let's take a look at SPY and see what this actually looks like right now. I haven't looked at it yet. So you can see here SPY 682.33 is the price. What it give us here, 682.20. So a little bit of movement popping around, probably in this range from when it was pulling. We were down there. So the price is right. The ticker is right. Entry zone below here or above here, targeting this, and just kind of giving you a couple different options and breakdowns here. So you then at the bottom can just go QQQ. I'll leave this running as well so you can see on the update the timing on this. See? QQQ right here. Let's look up QQQ. 62265, 62261. So pulling current price within a couple pennies. It's probably just because it's moving from when it's snapshotting. Bullish call. It likes it. So that seems to be right. I mean, I just at an eye glance. You can do like, let's do PLTR. That's another one. It's not commonly traded, but just to make sure that it works and ensure that it does. Price on this 18038. Where are we at here? 18041. So within 3 pennies. And again, it's probably just pulling in the middle of this move. telling you to go put. So this is options. It's there. A lot of people have been asking for this. I wanted this for a long time because I have been an options trader for a long time as well. So this is here. It's automated and it's ready to go. This is going to be out tonight for use tomorrow on the 9th of December. Let me show you Forex real quick. I'm not going to do crypto because crypto, I mean, I could, but it's going to work the exact same. So I'm just going to be redundant on everything. So let's just do EUR USD right here in Forex. Again, this is live. Like it's just taking a second. So this is speed. Like let's go, let's go, let's go. Like I'm used to let's go right now. While we're waiting, let's pull up this one so we can verify and look at it. Where are we at? 1.164. See, it's still running. Like this is crazy to me. Like if this thing right here wasn't bouncing, I would have already refreshed my screen because I thought it timed out. So anywho, entry price 1.1639. So it's right around there on price, calling its entry, giving you the pips, giving you the breakdown. Then down here, let's do XAU. Because a lot of people obviously are trading gold. See, this one takes an hour and a half as well. 4194. So 4194.50. It's at 4194.50 right now. And to go long. So it's there and it's working and automated as well. Like I said, speed wise, upload screenshots the way to go. If you want to know, so basically, here's what I can tell you guys as well. Sorry, I should have mentioned this on the scalp. Everything. So the 15-minute is going back 100 candles. No, I said that backwards. I'm sorry. The 15-minute is going back 50 candles. The 5 minutes is going back 75, and the 1 minute is going back 150 candles. That's where it's pulling all of this data from. So that's the range how it's set right now. Now, with that being said, that part is something I can adjust. So I need to figure out the accuracy. I need to figure out the back testing. I have back tested this multiple times on options and on Forex, and it has a good win rate. But when it comes to information, I can make that further back. I can make it tighter. And I think if I make it tighter, it's going to run a lot faster just because it's not pulling as much data, which makes sense. But we want accuracy. We want wins. We don't want losses. So this works. It's here. It's available to you tonight between 7 and 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you'll have to calculate that out to your time zone to know when the website's going to be down. And this is coming out today. And outside of that, we don't have any other updates, and I am not planning on adding any other updates. I am planning on maintaining and fixing these so I can then dial this in. The only other piece would be the Chrome extension that comes out for futures. That's going to be made available, but that integration and system is already there and it works. It looks like this. So if I open up Quant Crawler, this does not work with Forex, so don't try it. You'll say, hey, this pulled me into the futures tab. That's what it's supposed to do. It does not work. But this one, like, let me just show you really quick. We'll go to NQ. This is how this is set up to work. You go to the 15-minute, truncate everything down, you know, do your normal get up that you would, Control-Shift-Q. Then if you look, it's kind of hard to see, but right up here, it says 1 out of 3. It's just the little icon on Google Chrome. Then you do Control-Shift-Q. It says 2 out of 3. You can see the drop down. Those are captured. And then the 1 minute, you want to make this kind of fit, Control-Shift-Q. And the minute you do the third one, it automatically pulls you into the analyzer and starts going on its own. So there's no copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, analyze, you know, all that. It starts going and it runs it. The minute you do the third one, it goes. So pulls you in, you click I agree on the disclaimer, and then this is here. So this is going to be out this week as well. And that's what I got for you guys for tonight.